Bishop Sheldon Mwesigwo kuhabara abebembezi okurwanisa obworono bw'abaire ari omu rukiiko rw'ebiro bishatu orwa International Ecumenical Conference oruriyo nirugyenda omu maisho aha Las Vegas. Orukiiko rwetabirwemu abantu kuruga omu mahanga nka Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya, Burundi, Congo, Sudani, Ghana, Amerika hamwe n'agandi kandi aba babaire barimu n'abebembezi b'amadini.
Nikikira kubaho buri myaka ebiri nambwe n'omwaka ogu omutwe omukuru ogugamba aha dini na n'ebyentungo. Abantu abamwe nibateekateeka ngu eddiini nikimanyisa okwikiriza omuri Yesu, nikimanyisa okwetebeekanisiza iguru, barema kumanya ngu kandi eddiini nayo neyenda ngu ebintu ebituriyo niturabamu hati omu nsi omu nabyo tubirondera omubazi.
This organization play an important role in reaching out to those who are often left behind, by offering hope and also giving assistance in times of need. However, effective and sustainable development requires more than just goodwill and faith.
Professor Alex Arhol, Director General wa Excel Hot Consult Agro-Business Incubator Limited, twagambaho nawe.
Africa as a continent ebizibu bingi bitwine birarugabo kugira ngo ubworo bwinji burarugwa mutwe abantu benshi n'ibitabo bire turakora twine resources narishimite byo birabira tuyamba kurwo mu bworo.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished delegates to this very important conference. It is an honor to stand before you today in this remarkable country that I have had the privilege of calling my home for the past 6.5 years.
This much will enable us achieve our mission, which is to transform our lands into citizens who are responsible, ethical, employable, and entrepreneurial.
International Ecumenical Fellowship n'ekibiina ekirikuyamba abakurasi ba Kristo kweteranira hamwe okushaba hamwe n'okugamba aha bintu ebirikuteganisa abantu. Orukiiko rw'omwaka ogu rutebeekanisibwa hamwe na mwaguru kugira ngu Religion and Development. Amakuru aga Gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.